Essential oils, benefits, myths, and safe uses. Essential oils have become incredibly popular, with promises of everything from better sleep to boosted immunity. But what's the truth about these potent plant extracts? Let's explore the real benefits of essential oils, debunk a few myths, and learn how to use them safely to enjoy their maximum impact. What are essential oils? Essential oils are concentrated extracts taken from plants, capturing their fragrance, flavors, and, in many cases, their beneficial properties. From lavender to peppermint, these oils are used in aromatherapy, skincare, and even cleaning products. But remember, because they're highly concentrated, a little goes a long way. Real benefits of essential oils. Essential oils offer numerous genuine benefits, especially when used mindfully. Here are some of the most popular and well-supported uses. 1. Stress relief. Lavender and chamomile oils are known for their calming effects, often used in aromatherapy to reduce stress and promote relaxation. Just a few drops in a diffuser can help ease a tense mind. 2. Improved sleep. Many people turn to essential oils like lavender and cedarwood to promote restful sleep. Studies have shown that the scent of lavender can actually improve sleep quality by calming the nervous system. 3. Pain relief. Essential oils like peppermint, eucalyptus, and rosemary are often used in massage for their pain-relieving effects. Peppermint oil, for example, has a cooling sensation that may relieve sore muscles when diluted in a carrier oil. 4. Enhanced mood and energy. Oils like citrus, lemon, orange, grapefruit, are known for their uplifting effects. They can help improve mood, reduce fatigue, and create a more positive mental state. 5. Skin and hair care. Essential oils like tea tree, for acne, and rosemary, for hair growth, have become popular in skincare and haircare routines. These oils have antimicrobial or stimulating properties, but they should always be diluted before applying to the skin. Debunking common myths about essential oils. While essential oils have many legitimate uses, there are also some misconceptions and over-the-top claims. Let's clear up some myths. 1. Myth: essential oils can cure all ailments. Essential oils have many benefits, but they're not a cure-all. They can help alleviate symptoms, like pain or stress, but they don't replace medical treatments for serious conditions. 2. Myth: all essential oils are safe to ingest. Some companies suggest ingesting essential oils for health benefits. However, most essential oils are highly potent, and can be toxic if swallowed. Only a few essential oils, and only in very specific dosages, are safe for internal use. It can only be used under the guidance of a healthcare professional. 3. Myth: natural means completely safe. Even though essential oils come from plants, they can cause skin irritation, allergic reactions, and even liver toxicity if misused. Always follow proper guidelines, and remember that natural doesn't automatically mean safe. 4. Myth: undiluted oils are more effective. Some people believe that using oils undiluted makes them work better. In reality, essential oils should almost always be diluted in a carrier oil, like coconut or jojoba, to prevent skin irritation and adverse reactions. How to use essential oils safely. Using essential oils safely is essential to avoid unwanted side effects and to make the most of their benefits. Here are some tips for safe usage. 1. Dilute properly. Always mix essential oils with a carrier oil for topical application. A general rule of thumb is to use 3 to 5 drops of essential oil per teaspoon of carrier oil. 2. Use a diffuser. Diffusing oils is one of the safest ways to use them. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to a diffuser with water, and let the aroma fill the room. This method is particularly safe for beginners. 3. Do a patch test. Before applying a new oil topically, do a small patch test on your skin. Apply a small amount of diluted oil to your inner wrist and wait 24 hours to check for any irritation. 4. Store properly. Essential oils should be stored in dark glass bottles in a cool, dry place to maintain their potency. 5. Limit sun exposure. Some oils, like citrus oils, can make your skin more sensitive to sunlight. Avoid sun exposure on areas where these oils have been applied for 12 to 24 hours. Some essential oils to start with. If you're new to essential oils, start with a few versatile ones. 1. Lavender. Great for relaxation, sleep, and minor skin irritation. 2. Peppermint. Known for its invigorating scent, often used for headaches and muscle aches. 3. Tea tree. Popular for skin care, especially acne. 4. Lemon. Uplifting and fresh, great for cleaning and mood enhancement. 5. Eucalyptus. Useful for respiratory health and a natural disinfectant. Essential oils offer a wonderful, natural way to enhance your wellness routine. Just remember to use them wisely. By understanding their true benefits and how to use them safely, you can fully enjoy all the amazing properties these potent plant extracts have to offer. For more information about losing weight, diet, and health, please see our other videos. Links are provided in the description. If you like our videos, click the like button, and subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon to receive our latest videos on weight loss and health. See you in the next video.